औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. Today the topic which we will discuss will be the sexual perversions. As already we discussed, the perversions are the some acts which a man perform for the sexual gratification without doing the sexual intercourse, and this is labeled as the persons having some mental aberrations, psychologically ill persons, they do these kinds of acts. And as there is no any punishment or decided or mentioned in our Pakistan Penal Code, so and they are usually not reported from the persons if they have suffered by these perversions, so no punishment is decided by the courts. As these cases are not reported, although they are very common in society and they are present not in Western society, although this is common in almost most of the world. And as they are not disclosed, so you will see that they are discussed and they are presented and exposed in the society by mentioning in as a characters in novels or in books or in any dramas or in pictures, that these characters are existing in the society, and as they are present, so then their names are mentioned by the authors or writers who expose these characters in the society. So the perversions are the acts aimed to obtain sexual gratification without sexual intercourse, and the first is the term that is known as the sadism. This term is derived from the name of a French man, Marquis de Sade. He wrote books in which the character enjoyed being cruel. In it, the infliction of pain is necessary and the sole factor for sexual gratification. This perversion may be practiced by either sex but is more common in males. This sadist bites, flogs, or injures or ill treat the partner. Injuries may be inflicted on any area, but breast or external genitalia are commonly selected parts. A man may use cigarette burns on his wife to get erection, and these kinds of sufferers we personally see in our general practice. The females having cigarette bites and injuries on the breast or external genitalia, and when a gynecologist asked her in detail and insists that why these are present, then she told that these are inflicted by his husband. A man may use, in extreme cases, even a murder may be performed, such murders are known as the lust murder, and in some cases the sadist may perform sexual intercourse on her, and that is known as the necrophilia. or may tear out the genitals or other organs and eat flesh to satisfy sexual desire. Masochism. This term is derived by the name of an Austrian novelist, Leopold Sacher Masoch, who describes such characters suffering from this perversion. This is the reverse of sadism. It also may occur in either sex but is common among males. Victim obtains sexual gratification when he receives a painful stimulus from woman. And the commonly example is autoerotic deaths. That is, accidental hanging may occur in a masochist during his masochistic exercise. Personally, he dressed himself as a female and giving torture himself, and autoerotic death, accidental hanging occurs. Sadomasochism, when both the perversions, that is sadism and masochism, coexist together in a person, that is known as the sadomasochism. Means he inflict pain and as well as he wish to be inflicted by his partner to him, and then he feels sexual gratification. Next topic is the transvestism or eonism. These perversions are commonly asked by the examiners, or even they are mentioned as a short notes. So transvestism or eonism means, trans means across, vest means dress. In this perversion, the personality is dominated by a desire to be identified with the opposite sex. That is, being a woman if a male and being a man if a female. It also called eonism due to the name of French man Chevalier d'Eon de Beaumont, who practiced this perversion. Transvestite male gets sexual gratification in wearing female garments, mainly undergarments, and transvestite female dress themselves in male garments. And in our society, we usually see that some males feels gratification by dressing himself as a females, and some females are usually from the childhood their parents dress them as a males to show that she is a male baby, and then she used to dress like that. The next is the transsexualism. In this perversion, a person has desire to adopt the opposite sex, and he or she has dominant wish to identify with the opposite sex as completely as possible by discarding forever his or her own anatomical sex organs. And this is a common, a very, very famous in our Faisalabad. Two females, one is Shumail Raj, and I think around about 10 years ago, both females, one of them anatomically get rid of her breast, and her surgery was performed by some surgeon to satisfy this perversion, and later on it will be reported by the relatives or neighbors or some, and the cases will proceed in the courts, and they ask by the surgeons why they perform these. Exhibitionism, as the name suggests, the term applies to the acts of the man whose sexual desire consists principally of the exhibition of the genitals with or without performance of masturbatory act in the presence of women and young girls. These characters are usually wandering and they are waiting for the young girls and women. When they show, then they masturbate and even they ejaculate. Fetichism: in this perversion, the man gets sexual gratification by the contact and sight of the certain parts of the female body or even clothing like kerchief, undergarments or the shoes of the woman. Fetish objects. He wants to have these objects for sexual gratification and may masturbate in them. The fetishists try to steal such objects or follow women having such objects, and he may thus comes in conflict with the law in connection with charges of the theft or offense against public decency. इनकी सज़ा सिर्फ यही है कि वो पब्लिक में अगर वो पकड़े जाएं तो उनको उधर ही बस कुटापा ही चढ़ता और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Voyeurism or scoptophilia. In voyeurism, also known as scoptophilia, the desire to observe the genitals of others or to watch sexual intercourse becomes the condition of erotic excitement and gratification. Voyeurism therefore frequents parks and nudist camps and peer into lighted bedrooms at night and are commonly known as peeping toms. Such perverts may get themselves into social difficulties and become the object of criminal proceedings. Nowadays, the perversion, the most in our society, the perversion which is electronic media is providing, the perversion is the filthy messages, and pornoscopy is the kind of perversion. By sending these filthy messages to their colleagues or friends, they feel gratification, and I think this is the one of the kind of the latest electronically expanding the perversion. So when you got some filthy and pornoscopy messages from your friend or someone, you confirm him that he is a perverted person. Thank you very much.